sometimes science is very contradict with the Al-Quran. Should we blindly believe the Al-Quran, or we must make a space for a reason and logic for science?
As far as science, according to me, no established science contradicts the Quran. I'm a student of science. I'm a medical doctor. I'm a student of the Quran. There is no established science is against the Quran. There can be hypotheses. There can be theories which can go against the Quran, but not established science.
Okay.
I've given the talk on Quran modern science, and my son will be giving a talk in Jakarta during the last 3 days.
Yeah.
Quran
Talk
modern
about
science.
this.
Yes, Quran modern science. He will give a talk.
Okay.
My son, not me. Quran modern science. So there may be hypotheses. Like today, Darwin's theory is a hypothesis. It's not a fact. Some people call it a fact. It's a hypothesis. So hypothesis can go against the Quran. There is not a single established fact which goes against the Quran. And that's the challenge of it. Because Quran is a book from Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. And Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala doesn't make any mistakes. So you take the help of science to explain the Quran, but you should have sufficient knowledge to do that. If you have less knowledge, then you can falter.
Okay.
So you can use, as we discussed last time, we can use science to explain Quran and do Dawah, but you have to be careful that only use selective scientific facts, not hypotheses.